law is interpreted,
Mhm.
and it's the interpretation that matters. That's why we have juries. That's why we have 12-person juries in criminal trials. That's why we have judges. It's interpretation.
Yeah.
And that's why, let me go back to when I was in law school. Okay, I taught a Sunday school class when I was in law school. Not that I'm holier than thou in any sense, but the largest non public owned library in the United States is the Harvard Law Library. There, at the time, and this goes back to 1999, 2000, there were over 685,000 books in the Harvard Law Library. You know why? Because there are 685,000 books of 300 to 400 cases each of interpretation. That's why every client that I have, every client that goes to an attorney, asks for an interpretation of what the law means. Because we write laws, they get passed, they get modified, they get signed by governors and presidents. It's words, and that word can have a different meaning. So, no, law is never about law, ever. It is about the interpretation if it comes to that. If it comes to pass, is it legal to do this? Is this allowed in corporate law? I can tell you this, Joe. The practice of law is called practice for a reason because we're all interpreting the law and the facts that we're given.